Hello. Starting the day by collecting wood for the fire so we can heat the house again. We got quite a lot done on the weekend and now our plumber team are coming back this morning, and yeah, hopefully in a couple of days we'll have the main water installation done. Should be good. So after our plumber disappeared to the doctor, we've made some progress. First toilet is connected now, and the second one too, therefore completing more or less the circle. We haven't got the connection parts for this go back into the toilet yet, but we'll get those on Monday then, and hopefully we'll get a plumber then too. But to be fair, we've done a quite good job. The first circle coming out here, second circle going that way. And here we've got a sink, then cold water going to outdoor tap, and then both cold and hot into the toilet. So here we have the upstairs water circle. Basically pretty much laid out. We don't have this part yet, but that's coming today, so we can attach it to the sink, to the toilets. This one goes through the wall over here, down here, and through the wall here, and we'll connect on the other side to the other sink. Hello. As everything is in the top of the room, in the Technic room, we're just adding additional hot water here. That will come down here and connect in here to this kind of washroom that we're in. So that's what I'm doing right now. So this is a really good system. The pipes are here pressed in with the claw machine, and once they're pressed in, they're not going anywhere. And the advantage of these pipes is that they're really flexible. So we're bending them with a tool where we need to get a 45-degree angle, but otherwise we're just bending them by hand to fit in space. Here, for example, we've got an external tap, and that's also with an extra insulation. And the team are now just putting these pipes in place for all of the different floors and all of the different circles. So, tight space is hard to film. That's it. We've got a load of water pipes coming up here now. And these will be, or are now, connected to the underfloor heating system and the cooling system. And everything else has been pressed into place. And here as well, there's an elegant loop into the kitchen on the other side. And now we're just running pressurized air into the system to test that it's doesn't have any leaks. Then we'll do water later on. The black solar pipe is going right up there. It's raining.
windy and wet. Kind of unusual weather here for January. But inside it's dry and warm, and that's good. We're getting another milestone done here with this, with the water pipes and the plumbing. All the different distribution points and everything. It's pretty good. Turn my light off. There we go, that's better. But yeah, so it's pretty good, pretty good. I basically closed up all of the gaps that I can close up right now. We've got some more to do, of course, like underneath the electrical boxes and where the water pipes are running through the walls. Those we have to close up too. But we'll do that with light pieces of brick and cement. Shouldn't be a problem. Yeah, and then we'll start doing more of the electrical work, I guess.